Hey guys, Leash from Ozlight here to talk to you regarding our LED T5 retrofit tubes. These tubes replace your 28 watt fluorescent T5 tubes, which have a 20,000 hour lifespan. The bonus of the LEDs is they are a straight DIY, being that they are the same length and diameter, which is really important to the pins on the edge of the tube. With these tubes, they do not take a starter, they do run off an electronic ballast. These tubes also have a 40,000 hour lifespan, so they are going to last you 2 times longer than your normal T5 fluoro tubes. They also do come with a 2-year warranty. It is mindful to know that they are still a glass tube. They're still going to have a bit of heat dissipation, but just not as much as your normal fluoros as they are LED. As I mentioned, they are DIY with a 2-year warranty and they are going to be double the lifespan. They also come in a 4000K cool white color temperature and also a 6000 daylight color temperature. We do have them available in a 2-foot, a 4-foot and a 5-foot replacement LED for your normal fluoros. So get in contact with your Ozlight rep today to get a hold of yours today.